Building on decades of sports car legacy, the 2025 Nissan Z delivers commendable performance and nostalgic styling at an attainable price. The newest Z wears its heritage on its sleeve, remaining a fun-to-drive two-door coupe with a silhouette reminiscent of the original 240 Z from 1969. With handsome heritage styling and plenty of power, the 2025 Nissan Z is a worthy modern entry in a line of historically significant Nissan sports coupes. A twin-turbocharged 3.0-litre V6, borrowed from the Infiniti Q60 Red Sport 400, serves as the Nissan Z's fiery heart. In sport and performance trims, the engine produces 400 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque. Those figures jump to 420 horsepower and 384 pound-feet of torque in the performance-first Z NISMO, which also adds a limited slip differential, bigger wheels, larger brakes, stiffer suspension, and fancier bodywork to the equation. Despite sharing a very similar interior layout as the now defunct Nissan 370s, this generation Z's interior is modernized enough not to look like a bad copy-paste job. Like the previous gen, the Z remains dedicated to a two-seat coupe arrangement. No vestigial rear seats here. Its cabin is furnished with premium materials and updated features, including Alcantara upholstery, power-adjustable seats, and dual-zone automatic climate control. Nissan has brought the Z into the 21st century with a standard 8.0-inch infotainment display. A 9.0-inch unit with navigation is optional. A 12.3-inch digital gauge display, Sirius XM satellite, radio, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. A 6-speaker stereo is standard, but audiophiles can upgrade to an optional premium audio arrangement engineered by Bose. An onboard Wi-Fi hotspot is also available. Every 2025 Z comes equipped with active safety and driver assist features, including front automatic emergency braking, rear cross traffic alert, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, and automatic high beams. Adaptive cruise control is also included with both the manual and automatic transmission. As much as we want to love the Nissan Z, it just doesn't capture our hearts like a good sports car should. Even as it gains power and eye-catching design compared to its predecessor, the outdated, uncompetitive fundamentals of that car are still far too evident.